Searching for a reliable weighing scale? OHAUS scales excel in accuracy and versatility, essential for life sciences and pharmaceuticals. Trusted across labs, industries, and schools, OHAUS scales ensure precise and reliable measurements. Features like dual range capability and automatic calibration enhance daily use. With over a century of reputation, OHAUS provides high-quality products for various applications, guaranteeing reliability and precision. Their extensive range includes portable balances for industrial and lab environments, featuring touchscreens and stainless steel for accuracy and convenience. Dual range capability allows for precise measurements of light and heavy items in one device. OHAUS scales simplify general and comparative weighing on the go. Calibration weights are available to maintain accuracy, ensuring consistent performance to meet your needs effectively. In industrial settings, OHAUS scales offer varying capacities, facilitating quick and precise measurements to enhance productivity. Laboratory scales feature advanced options to uphold precision, with some models offering internal calibration for reliable results. OHAUS scales suit educational environments, featuring large, washable pans for hands-on learning. Touchless operation minimizes contamination risks, ensuring student safety. Designed for portability, OHAUS balances are compact and lightweight. Many have overload protection and quick stabilization, perfect for fieldwork accuracy. Enhanced display options aid visibility and reduce eye strain, with hybrid displays for effortless reading. Regular calibration checks are crucial for consistent performance in regulated industries. OHAUS scales provide technology for precise readings and alerts. Choose the right scale by considering application, accuracy, and environment. OHAUS scales meet industry standards, ensuring reliability. Accessories like calibration weights and modular blocks enhance functionality, making OHAUS scales versatile. Comparative weighing capabilities allow accurate measurements of multiple objects, ensuring ease of use and precise results. Safety features provide automated tests for minimum weights, protecting delicate samples. Resolving common issues involves checking calibration and keeping scales clean and level. Regular maintenance is encouraged for lasting accuracy. Experience OHAUS scales and trust them for your weighing needs to witness considerable differences.